Hi, this is Shauna. Welcome back. I have my Ipsy and TopBox. They both arrived late last week, so let's dig on in. Do the Ipsy first. So Ipsy, of course, is a monthly subscription. Details down below. In Canada, it works out to be a little bit less than $20. So it's always fun. Deluxe size sample. So let's see what we got. Oh, let's look at the bag now. So it's like a pink blush, kind of almost like a suede with a little bit of lace. So very fitting for the love month. So the Pacifica Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadow Palette, which is 100% vegan and cruelty free. Ooh, pretty. So I already knew what I was getting because Ipsy always sends out the previews. You can go look. Yeah, so they look like fun colors. Definitely looking forward to trying those. I've used Pacifica before, so it's definitely a nice brand. It's more of a drugstore brand. I've seen it in like Target and stuff like that, so that's one win. That's a pretty big size. So this month is all about Unzipped, so you can see some of the influencers there and a little bit of info on the back. They always send out some little media. Next one is Bang Beauty. Connect with us. So this is a blush. Color is Smoke Pink. That's not a bad size really for a deluxe sample. So there it is in the box, and let's see what it looks like. I do love my blush, so let's see. Ooh, that is pretty. So it's like a coral essence color. Kind of reminds me of California, the one through Benefit. So I'm not going to swatch it because I'll see if I'm going to trade that with somebody, because I do have a ton of blush on the go now. And next, ooh, a Luxie brush. Love my Luxie. So there it is, a dual-ended brush, and this is full size. That is number 249. So it has a nice blending, and then this is, I would call this like a concealer brush because it's nice and angled and flat. And then this is just say your shadow blend out, which is nice too. Good stipples on that. So love the brushes. So two more. These are skincare items. This is Apto Moisturizing Repair Day Lotion for dry and combination skin. Never heard of this company before. This is 15 mil, so good deluxe size to try out. And the next one is Spot On Target Skin Brightening Serum, and this is from MAD, M-A-D, Skincare, Maximum Active Dermatologist. Oh yeah, so that's cool. So this is only a 7 mil, so that's a serum, so that is a pretty good size for a serum. So I'll let you know how those go. So that is my Ipsy this month. Not too bad. Looking forward. You're gonna wait and see what TopBox is. So this month I got one of the special ones through TopBox, and it is Nude by Nature's Makeup for the Good for You. Makeup that's good for you. Blah. So that's cool. This is an Australian makeup brand. So that's what was sent to me. And then the Nude by Naturals. This is like their whole catalog of products front and back. So everything that I got is, say, of course, deluxe size. So this gives you the breakdown. And I know this is now available in Shoppers Drug Mart. I haven't been in Shoppers lately, but I'll definitely check it out. And yeah, so you can like them on Instagram and Facebook, of course. So it looks beautiful. Let's see. So first we have concealer. And this is 5.9 mils, basically 6. And this is anti-crease. Oh no, it's a 2 mil one. It's only a tiny one. And my color says Sand 05. To me, sand sounds dark. Let me swatch this there now, because this is something. Oh yeah. Yeah, so this is not going to be good for under eyes for me, because it's going to be too dark. But it'd be fine for like if you had like blemishes or spots on your face, depending on your skin tone. So not sure if that's gonna work for me. I just might keep it for when I do makeovers on clients and that. So that's nice. Did feel nice and creamy, and the coverage is very good. Not sticky. All right, let's see what's next. Ooh, full size brush. Wicked. So Nude by Naturals brush, and this is the Mineral Brush 11. So it's in a case. Let's see. Open her up there now. And I got the number 11 there. Oh, this is going to be one of these ones that's going to be hard to pop there now. There we go. Ooh, nice. yeah, so that'll be for putting your loose powder on or your powdered foundation. So good, yeah, the feels really nice consistency. Especially, geez, that's worth the price there. Again, links down below for your top box. This is new by Naturals. This is Radiance Loose Powder Foundation. Okay, so this is N4 Silky Beige. So it's nice rose gold packaging. And there it is. Okay, it's sealed, but some is leaking. So let me just swatch a little bit of that. So this will probably work for me because I do tend to darken up this time of year. I start with some of my boosters and bronzers. Not sure if you can really see it. It's right there. It does blend in well, so I'll give that a go and let's see how that sounds like it's very similar to the Bare Minerals brand, their loose powder foundation. So always good success with that. Next one is a translucent finishing powder. Oh, very same packaging, nice rose gold finish, and looks like it's sealed the same way. Yeah, it's really nice, and that's loose powder, so this I'll definitely use. I love my loose setting powder, and where it's translucent, it's good for everybody. Last but not least, the Perfecting Primer Base, and this is a 15 ml. So that is there. Let's see. I won't swatch this. Oh, okay, let's just do it. It is open, so it doesn't have a seal on it. So it comes out, looks like a creamy formula there. You can see it on my hand. And let's just see how it blends in. Blends in nice and supple. It doesn't feel like it's silicone based, so that should be good. It's not too sticky or anything. Yeah, I'll definitely give that a go. Not sure if it's oil free or not. I'll have a little, does have scent to it. Not a bad scent by no means. But there you go. So that is the Nude by Nature. Ooh la la. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing video. Definitely expect more to come. All my links and referrals are down low. If you ever have any questions, comments, or concern, put them down and check me out on Instagram at Shauna J. Butler. Thanks. Have a great day.